Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of budget drones. We're comparing the cheapest and most expensive options to see what's really worth your money. First up, the budget drone. For around $50, you get basic features like a 720p camera, limited flight time of about 10 minutes, and a control range of 100 meters. It's lightweight and easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. However, the video quality isn't great and it struggles in windy conditions. Now, let's talk about the high-end budget option, priced around $300. This one boasts a 4K camera, 30-minute flight time, and a range of up to 2 kilometers. It's packed with advanced features like GPS, return to home, and obstacle avoidance. The video quality is fantastic and it handles wind much better. But it's a bit more complex to fly, and if you're new, there's a steeper learning curve. So, what are the key differences? The cheaper drone is simple and great for learning, but it lacks the quality and advanced functionalities. The pricier drone offers superior performance and features but requires more skill to operate. Regarding legal requirements, remember that drones over 250 grams need to be registered, and you should always follow local drone laws. In conclusion, if you're an average user just starting out, I'd recommend the cheaper drone. It's perfect for learning the ropes without breaking the bank. But if you're an advanced user looking for better features and quality, go for the pricier option. Hope this helps you make an informed decision. Fly safe and happy drone shopping.